So as we know, presently we are studying testing of acids and bases. That is what the nature of the solutions. So if I give the acids, what is the nature? What is if I give the bases? How to identify first a given solution is a acid or base. So we are having a special kind of chemical substances to identify either the given substance is acid or the given substance is a base. So these chemical substances will help us to study the properties of acids and as well as bases. And they are only called as who is having a different colors in different mediums, which is known as what we used to call, guys? Everybody. Yes, please. Different colors in different mediums. We used to call as what? All of you? Chemical substances who are different colors having in different mediums. What is the name? Please respond.
Indicator.
Yeah.
Chemical
It's
indicators.
called as indicators. So as we already studied in last class, these indicators we classified into 4 types. So the first type of indicators we used to call as everybody natural indicator, and the second type of indicator is everybody
Synthetic
specific
indicator.
indicator, and third one is olfactory indicator, and the fourth one is what? Yes,
Universal
Universal indicator.
universal indicator. Okay. So let us see. Already we studied natural indicators. Some of the natural indicators. So the natural indicators are the indicators who is coming generally obtained from what, guys? Generally obtained from plants.
Plants.
So they are called as natural indicators. So of course, in this, the most common indicator is very well known indicator for us is what actually? Litmus.
Litmus.
So litmus, basically we can say we are having litmus solution is there, and litmus paper strips are there, litmus papers are there. So of course from the solution only we'll prepare what? From the solution only we'll prepare the paper. Is it right or wrong, everybody? So if you have taken the litmus solution, so what is the basic color of litmus solution, everybody? Litmus solution is
Purple color.
basically what color? Yeah, purple color, which is obtained from the plants called as, what is the plant name? Which is obtained? Lichen plant.
Lichen.
Understanding? So we are having a 2 kinds of solutions. This litmus solution is 2 kinds. So one is blue litmus solution and as well as what? Red
litmus
litmus.
Red litmus solution.
Okay. So the original color of the litmus is purple. To make the 2 different colors, so we have to add. So as we know, we are having blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. So to make the blue litmus solution, actually what is the original color, everybody? Original color is purple. To make the blue litmus solution, we have to add a few drops of what? All of you. Few drops of
base.
Base, sir.
base we have to add. To make the red litmus surface, solution, we have to add, to make it red litmus, we have to add few drops of what? All of you. We have to add
Acid.
drops of acid. That is what we have to remember. So few drops of base we have to add and few drops of acid. And then to prepare the paper, what we have to do? We have to, yes please. We have to soak the papers. Understanding? So soaked in paper strips for long period of time. So if you make it, so these solutions are soaked in paper strips to they are added, and then what will happen? We will prepare the litmus papers. Okay, so the papers which is soaked in blue litmus solution, they will give you what? Blue litmus paper, and the papers which are soaked in red litmus solution will give you what? Red litmus. Yes, please. Red litmus paper. Okay, so now as we all studied, this blue litmus paper will turns into red when it is reacted with what? Everybody? Acid. Yes or no? So acid solution acid solution, this blue litmus will turns into what, everybody? Yes, please. Red.
Sir.
And same way, and we know that red litmus paper will turns into blue when it is reacting with the whom, guys? It will react
Base.
with the basic solution. So that is what about the most popular indicator, and the first type of nature indicator is what we used to call litmus solution. So now I have taught you the examples also. So acid solution means what is the general examples we studied, which we used to see in our daily life. We are having a turmeric juice, orange juice, vinegar, and etc. etc. And blue litmus solution, like who turns the red litmus paper into blue color? So solutions of basic solutions. What are the examples of bases? We studied that, everybody. Yes, please.
Bitter
Bitter gourd,
cucumber.
yeah.
Soda.
Bitter gourd juice. You can take cucumber juice. You can take baking soda, washing soda, everything. So these are all the things. Mainly washing soda, baking soda. These all the things they are actually basic in nature. So which will convert red litmus solution into what, Mr. Johan? It will convert
Blue color.
blue. That is one. So next, second type of nature indicator, that is what we used to call as turmeric indicator. So as we all know, turmeric indicator. So particularly we can use this indicator only for what, guys? To identify what? Everybody. Yes, please. Yes.
Basic
So
solution.
basically the solution, turmeric solution will be in what color, everybody? Will be in yellow color.
Yellow
No?
color.
So if it react with the base, it will give you what, guys? All of you?
Reddish.
It will give
Red,
you
sir.
red in color. Understanding? So when this yellow color solution exposed to the basic solution, so that it will turns into what? Everybody? It will turns
Red color.
into reddish color. Okay. So that is what. So, but in this is only in basic solution. But what about acids and neutral medium? The colors remains what? Everybody. Acid as
Same.
well as neutral, the color is remains same. So what is that remains color? Remains yellow color. Is it right or not? All of you. That is one. Now again, after suppose we can take, we can notice the curry stains or sambar stains on the shirt. That is what contains turmeric. If you wash, if you apply the detergent, or if you apply the washing soap, like whatever you are having, Surf Excel or this, that, and anything, you can see immediately that the stain place, it will turns into what? Reddish color. And if you dip into the pure water, again it will turns into what? Slowly it will be faded and it will be come back to the what? All of you.
Yellow color.
Yeah, it will turns into the yellow color, changes back into, that is what the color of the turmeric. First, it will changes into red if you apply the soap medium. So it is indicating that the soap is a what medium? Soap is an example for what? Everybody?
Basic medium.
Soap is an example for basic medium. So now if you rinse in the water, then the color becomes light and finally again it will turns into yellow again. Because in neutral and acidic medium, the turmeric is having what color? Everybody? Neutral
Yellow
acidic
color.
medium. It is having a yellow color, no change in color. Now this yellow color can also be regained by rubbing the red stain with the lemon juice also. Means they're trying to neutralize. By neutralizing reaction, as it is, if you are having a curry stain, all of you observe very carefully. If I am having a, this is the curry stain, or you can take in a like turmeric stain. So if you have taken all of you, first if I apply, first time if I apply the soap, it will turns into what color, guys? By applying soap, it will turns into what color? Red.
Reddish color.
Now, after that, again, either if I rinse in water, it will came back to the yellow color. Or else, if I pour the lemon juice, understanding? So if I apply the lemon slice, so again, it will turns into what color? Everybody.
Yellow color.
Again it will turns into yellow color. So that is what it will happen with a turmeric indicator. Now we are having so many other indicators also, so which even already you studied in class 7, like hydrangea plants, understanding geranium plants, and petunia plants. These are different plants we are having. So this all we can use it as also natural indicators. And also we all know this China rose. China rose, what we used to call hibiscus plant. Is it right, everybody? So this hibiscus plants also we can use it as a natural indicator. So we're having plenty of natural indicators. So if you take mainly, for example, hydrangea. So hydrangea is a plant, basically, if you notice it. So actually hydrangea plant, flower extract actually. So hydrangea flower plant, so we'll extract the juice or whatever indicator from the flower. So which is basically, generally it will be in blue color. Generally, what is the color of this hydrangea solution? Everybody? Blue color.
Blue color.
Understanding? It will turns into pink, okay, on mixing with the base. So means hydrangea mixing with the base, means with the base, what is the reaction? What is the change in color? From blue color to pink color it will change. Okay. Similarly, if you take red cabbage. So we all know, last class itself I told you. So red cabbage juice. So cabbage extract. So cabbage extract, basically it will be similarly like red color, it will be red cabbage. So red in color, light it is. Now this one will turns green in basic medium and remains in color in the same color in acidic medium. So again, this red cabbage also, it will turns basic medium. So in basic medium, it will turns into what color? Everybody? It will turns into
Green color.
green in color. Understand? So basically, it is red in color. So in basic medium, from red color to it will changes into what color? Everybody? Yes, please.
Green color.
Okay. So like this, so many indicators we have. You can take geranium plants, petunia plants. These are all the things we can basically we can say. You want, you can note down, but this colors and all is not there for 10th, so you no need to worry also. So geranium plant, petunia plant. So this all you can take China rose. Okay. So these all are the natural indicators where we are obtaining the things from plants actually. So if you take here, these extracts shows one color for basic solution and another color for what? Everybody. Another color for acidic solution. So that is why these are called as what? Everybody. We used to call as? Yes, please. What is the name of
Acid
this?
basic indicators.
They are called as acid basis indicator, or simply we can say indicators. Clear? So now let us see some of the natural indicators. We will list out and what is the different colors in different mediums. We'll see that. Mr. Haris, who is not there in meeting, let me know. Mr. Arun Kailas and all is not there, correct? Yeah. We'll take serious action definitely. So now if you list out all of you, so let me take what is the type of indicator. All of you write it. So very, very important. Indicator in acidic medium, what is the change in color? In actually in basic medium, okay, what is the color change? And as well as in neutral medium, so what is the color change? So let us discuss now. So we all know first litmus. So litmus indicator. So what is the acidic medium? What is the color? Everybody, litmus, everyone, red in color. Basic medium, blue, and neutral medium, litmus solution. Let me take litmus solution now. Okay. So in neutral medium, what? No change in color. What is the color? Change in color means. What is the color of the litmus solution? Everybody.
Purple.
Purple color. Understanding? Next, red litmus, if you have taken. So red litmus, acidic medium, what in color? All of you. Red litmus, acidic medium, red only, no change in color. Understanding? Neutral also, no change in color. But in basic medium, it will turns into what? Red litmus will turns into red litmus paper. Respond, Ra. Red litmus paper turns into everybody. Blue color.
Blue color.
Blue litmus paper, it will turns what? Blue litmus paper turns into everybody red in acidic medium. So here remains blue, no change in color. Remains blue, no change in color. Okay. Next, turmeric. So turmeric, acidic medium, no change in color. What is the color? Acidic medium. Everybody.
Yellow color.
Neutral also yellow. And in basic medium, it will turns into what? Everybody, it will turns
Reddish.
into reddish. Same way, red cabbage extract. Red cabbage extract, if you have taken, so no change in color, neutral, and as well as acid. So only in bases it will turns into what color? Others,
Green color.
green color. Okay. Next, flower extract of flower extract. What is the indicator? Just now I told. Extract of what plant? Hydrangea plant. Okay. So if you have taken, so this is also generally it is in blue color. Acid also no change in color. Base neutral also no change in color. But in bases it will turns into what? Mitakshri, it will turns into pink in color.
Pink
Okay,
color.
everybody. Sanjay Gana, Omar, Hasini.
Yes,
That is
sir.
what you have to remember. Okay, please make it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Clear, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Google clear, Ara? Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So next, you all people knows China rose indicator. So China rose indicator also, if you want, you can write. So what is the China rose indicator? Everybody, it is color pink, magenta color with acid and green color with what? Base. Okay.
Base.
Write it. China rose. China rose also we can call as. China rose also we can call as what?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Understanding? So China rose indicator, hibiscus plant you can take. So generally, what is the color of this one? Everybody.
Magenta.
No, what is the color of this? With the red. With the red, it will change it with the magenta. So magenta means what is the color? Dark pink. Okay. So this is what is the color. With the blue, with the bases, what is the color? It will turns into green color. Okay. So that is what you have to remember. Any other thing? With the neutral, what is the color? Everybody? With the acid, it will turns into. So what is the basic color? It is indicator. What is the color it is? What is the color
Dark
of
pink.
magenta? No change in color. Sorry, it is no color, colorless actually, lightly. So actually it will be light pink. It is a dark pink. Okay. And with the neutral, it is no change. That is what you have to remember. Okay. So please write it. Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Clear, guys? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what about the nature indicators and as well as the colors. So mostly we have this only. So other plants, if you want, you can remember geranium and as well as petunia plants. You can. Okay. So hope you all are clear. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Okay, guys. All of you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
You can remember. So with the neutral, it is actually light pink. You can write instead of pink. You can write. It will be like light pink, because what is the general color? Generally, China rose is what in color? All of you. Generally, China rose in light pink color. Okay, Ra? Everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
This is hibiscus, China rose. Okay, next. So nature indicators are over. Then second type of indicators. What is the second type of indicators? Everybody?
Synthetic indicators.
Yeah. Synthetic indicator. So synthetic indicators also we can call as man-made indicators, or we can say human-made indicators. Okay. So only we have two synthetic indicators till today. So that itself, they are very, very popular and very famous indicators. So that is what I will discuss now. So what is the two indicators and what is the change in color and all? So write it. Synthetic indicators are, definition you write. Synthetic indicators, is it coming from nature or prepared in laboratory? Everybody. Synthetic
Prepared.
In
indicators.
laboratory.
Yes. So synthetic indicators are prepared. Synthetic indicators are prepared in laboratories. Laboratories. So we are having very common synthetic indicators, only two. So one is methyl orange, very popular and very, very important one. So of course, if we go to 11 and 12, definitely lab you people will use this. And the second type of indicator is phenolphthalein. Okay. So now here more than a phenolphthalein, methyl orange is very popular because methyl orange is only having different colors in different one. But at least phenolphthalein is having same color in two substances. So that is why we will prefer most probably what we will prefer, guys? Methyl orange. Okay. So let us see that what is the color change by synthetic indicators in different mediums. So if I take first indicator, so all of you write it. So from the indicator, definitely one question will come, guys. Okay. So in acidic, what is that? In basic, what is that? And as well as in neutral. So what it is? So indicator first, methyl orange. So if I have taken methyl orange, basically it will be in what color? What is the color of methyl orange? Remember one small thing. The color of the indicator and the color of the neutral is same. Is it okay, everybody? Understand, Mitachri? Color of the indicator and color of the
Yes,
color in neutral is same. So in acidic medium, methyl orange will turns into red in color. And in basic medium, methyl orange will turns into yellow color. And what is the original color? All of you.
Orange, sir.
Orange. Okay. That is what. Next, phenolphthalein. Right. And learn the spelling also. Phenol plus ophthalene. So phenolphthalein, basically, it is a colorless solution. So of course, in neutral, in a acidic medium and as well as basic medium, sorry, in neutral medium, it is colorless only. Only in basic medium, it will turns into what color? All of you. It will turns into
pink color.
pink color. So this is what about synthetic indicators and their change in colors. So please all of you write it fast. So till here, everybody complete it quick and then we'll proceed further. Have you all understand, all of you? Yes, please. So now I will give you some one activity which is having in our textbook. So we'll take certain solutions and we have to verify what is the action with the blue litmus, what is the action with red litmus, what is the action in phenolphthalein, and as well as action on methyl orange. Once if you have been done that, then only we people will proceed with the next type of indicators called as olfactory indicators. So this is very simple. Synthetic indicators are only two. So one is phenolphthalein and another one is what? Everybody? Methyl orange. So here also the most preferable indicator is methyl orange because with the methyl orange, what is the advantage, guys? Everybody? Compared to phenolphthalein, we can identify both acid as well
Blue
as
color.
base and as well as neutral. But methyl phenolphthalein, what we can identify? Only we can identify what? Mr. Omar, can you hear me? Yes, please. All of you? With the methyl orange, we can identify only what, guys? Base we can identify. And the next one what? Either it is acid or neutral. Is it possible to identify? Everybody?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, it's
What's the
colorless.
reason? Which is the popular one? All of you. The most
Methyl
Methyl orange.
methyl orange. Okay, so please write it. Okay, so complete it fastly. Completed, everybody? Yes, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'll provide you certain solutions. So now you all people need to identify what is the change in color in red litmus, change in color in blue litmus, and as well as phenolphthalein, and as well as methyl orange, just to make a practice. Like nothing is there. So how much perfect we are, we have to just verify ourselves. So that's all it is. Okay, shall we start now? All of you? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is. So now, so let us take everybody. So you can make the given solution. I'll provide you the certain given solutions. So you have to write a reaction with action. Action on red litmus. Okay. Red litmus. Next action on blue litmus. Basically, we'll use this only. Other than this, we people won't use more other indicators most probably. Next, action on phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Action on methyl orange. Is it okay, everybody? So that is what. Now first, given solution. So let me take given solution. For example, I'll give you hydrochloric acid. So it is acid. So all of you observe very carefully. The first solution is given is hydrochloric acid. So what is the color change in red litmus, everybody? Red litmus, what is the color change? No action. Yes or no? Because it is already red litmus. But blue litmus, it will turns into what? Blue litmus.
Red color.
Red color. Correct or not? And phenolphthalein? Phenolphthalein, no action. Is it right or wrong? Because what is the color for phenolphthalein? Colorless. And methyl orange
Colorless.
turns into what? Everybody. It will turns into
Red.
red color. Okay. That is what. Next, sulfuric acid. What is the sulfuric acid color? Again, it is the same thing. What is the color? No action.
No.
It turns into red color. And it will again no action. Again, here turns into what? Red color. Yes or
Red.
no? That is. Next, nitric acid, HNO3. So nitric acid it is. Now tell me, what will happen? Nitric acid also. Everybody? Here,
Same.
no reaction, turns into red color. No reaction, turns into red color. That is what. Okay. So next, acetic acid. What is acetic acid formula? CH3COOH.
You.
Vinegar. Vinegar also contains same thing. So now you tell me, what will happen? No action, turns into red. No action, turns into what? All of you.
Red.
Into red in color. Understand now, everybody? Clear? Mr. Johan, Harini. Next, the given solution is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide means red litmus what? Turns into all of you. Turns, what is the color? Base it is. Turns what, guys? Please respond. It will turns into blue color. Then here what will
No
happen?
reaction.
No action. Then here what will happen? Turns into pink because phenolphthalein base it is pink. And here red color what will happen? Methyl orange bases it will turns into what? Methyl orange bases it will turns into what, guys?
Yellow color.
Okay, that is what. Next, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Next, potassium hydroxide. Next, magnesium hydroxide. Okay. Next, ammonium hydroxide. So these many things. So now tell me, all are what? Everything bases are
Yes.
all are bases only. So that everywhere from here shows the same color. But you cannot write like this lines. You have to write it everything. Turns blue, no action, turns pink, and turns yellow. So KOH also, magnesium hydroxide also, same behavior. Because all are called as what? Everybody. These all the
Yes.
substances are called as, all of you, known as what? Yes, please. Known as?
Base.
So that is what you have to remember. So finally, this above 4 are acids and below 4 are what? Everybody? Below 4 are
Base.
bases. So from that, so I will make it whenever the substances I have given acids. Understand? And as well as I have given bases. So now observe very carefully with the blue litmus. With the blue litmus. So what is the change in color? All of you turns blue to what? All of you.
Red.
Turns blue to red. But bases
No
what?
action.
No action. Understand? Others, everybody. Next, if you have taken red litmus. So if you have taken red litmus, what will happen here? Here acids, what will happen? No action.
No action.
But here red litmus turns into what? Red to everybody. It will turns red into what? All of you? It will turns
Blue.
into blue color. Next, commonly phenolphthalein. So phenolphthalein. So we all know phenolphthalein. What is the change in color? Acids. No action. Understanding? But bases it will turns into what? Everybody? it will turns into colorless to
Pink.
what? Colorless to it will turns into pink. So that is what you have to remember. Next, methyl orange. So methyl orange, we all know it will shows colors in both acid and base. So it turns here orange into what? Turns
Red.
orange to red. Okay. Here turns orange to everybody
Yellow.
yellow. Okay. So very important one. So please all of you write. Anybody having anything doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed for that. This is what about it. And understand, guys, everyone? Clear? Yeah, please proceed now. Okay, Omar, Harini.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Guru, what happened? Somebody called to Guru. Jivitesh, understand? Everybody, girls, clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, anything doubt, you can ask me. So till here, all of you finish it. So this is what about natural indicators and synthetic indicators. So once it is completed, let me know. Then we'll proceed with the third type of indicators. What is the third indicators, everyone? Yes, please.
Olfactory.
Olfactory
All
indicator.
factory indicator.
Factor indicators.
Okay. So this is very, very important. Mr. Haris Eras, have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So next, third indicators. So all factory indicators. Now itself, I am saying these indicators not for people who are physically completely all right. So the person who is having a visible disability, that is what visually challenged people who cannot see the change in color. So that people, these all factory indicators will helpful. So with the means in the sense of by this time you understand. So these olfactory indicators, what is that? Like indicators means what? Different change in color, like what? Different colors in different mediums. So now olfactory indicators having what? We cannot see the color change. So but what we can see? They're having different smell in everybody. Different odors. Odor means smell. Different odors in different mediums. Understand everybody? Please respond, guys. So it will be helpful for persons, those who are physically challenged, like with a disability called as those who cannot cannot see anything, changing colors in surroundings. So for them, these olfactory indicators will helpful. Shall we start now, everybody? Love you. So the olfactory indicators means, write it. The olfactory indicators, so we can use this one, we can detect acid base with the help of what? By seeing the color or by smelling the odor? By smelling
By
the
smelling the odor.
odor. Okay. So olfactory means relating to the sense of smell. Okay. Right. Those chemical substances which have different odor. Odor means what, guys? Smell. Okay. Different odors in different mediums. Mr. Aswin Gokul, can you able to hear me? Different
Yes,
mediums.
sir.
Yeah. Are you learning or not? Are called olfactory indicators. Mr. Kaushik also, I'll ask you afternoon. Clear? Olfactory indicators. I think Kaushik slept already. Okay. So olfactory indicators we used to call. So now let us say we are having very few olfactory indicators. So we don't have any much. So we can easily learn. So the first type of olfactory indicator which we used to call is onion. So we are all very familiar with onion. Yes or no, guys? Everybody? So onion is a daily thing which we used to in our daily life also for curries and all. So now it has a special smell in acidic medium. So we'll feel it when you put the acid in that. So it will be having a special smell in acidic medium, but no smell in basic medium. So if you want to get rid of smell of onion, you can see you can gargle with aqueous solution of baking soda so that the smell of onion you cannot be experienced. So that is how that onion we can use it for determining the given substance is either acid or base. So it is having a specific smell in acidic medium and no smell in what? It will lose its smell. What is that? No smell in basic medium. Understand everybody? So that is what onion. So okay, write it. So it has a specific smell in acidic medium. It has a specific. Again, join back. We are having meeting is going to end. So we'll complete at least until all factor indicators. So it has a specific smell in acidic medium